Hi, for this video what I want to do is an area application question, and for this one we're going to look at the cost of replacing sod. So the situation we have here is the sod on a lacrosse field needs to be replaced. One pallet of sod costs $325, so we're paying $325 for every pallet that we are going to buy. We also know that one pallet covers 450 square feet. So this is the information that we are given, and we are told that the area to be covered is a rectangle with a length of 360 feet and a width of 228 feet. So this is the information that we have, and then we need to go about solving the problem. So the first thing that I want to do is find the area that is being covered. So my area, remember, of a rectangle is just the length times the width. So I would do 360 feet times 228 feet. And my total area that I need to sod is 82,800 let me start over. 82,080 square feet. Okay, so now let's figure out how many pallets do we need to order. So what we are going to do is we're going to take the 82,080 square feet and we're going to multiply it by one pallet per 450 square feet. That way my square feet will be worked out and we'll figure out the number of pallets. So we would take the 82,080 divided by 450 and we end up with 182.4 pallets are what are needed. Most likely the company is going to make you order this in full pallets. It is possible that they may allow you to order a partial one, but we're going to go under the assumption that we can't. So we are going to need a total of 183 pallets in order to cover the entire area. Plus you always want to have a little bit extra just in case. So 183 pallets will make sure that we have enough sod to cover the entire area. So now our next step is to find the cost. So we know that the cost is $325 per one pallet, and we need 183 pallets. And when I multiply this out, I would have 325 times 183, so my units would end up being in dollars. And so we can see that it's going to cost $59,475 just to purchase the sod. So to purchase the sod, it costs $59,475. It is possible that the labor cost is included in the pallet, but a lot of times that doesn't include the labor too. So the labor would be an additional cost on top of there. So those are some things that you need to think about when you are doing projects like this. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you want me to cover, please let me know that as well.